What happened, Daddy? Hard? It's a couch. Couch, like that. Yes, it is. Lie down on the couch. Yes. Yeah, you can sit or lie down on the couch. Oh, what happened? You wanna see a picture, Daddy? Yeah, it is. You can do it, Daddy. We know that. You're good in that. Which one?
Don?
What's that?
Don for your house?
What?
Don?
What's done?
Don? What's this?
What's done?
What's that?
Maybe that is a color?
This.
No, I guess it's not. It's not a color, yeah.
Oh, is it
Yeah, it's a chair for
for
someone who wants to sit.
A table and I'm right here.
Oh, nice. No, it's not fit for me. It's for only for.
One.
Yeah, we need bigger one. That one is for a Barbie only for your doll.
So Terry's, this is so Terry's.
You want to eat breakfast on the terrace? Wow! I love that. I love that too. What's that one? I think that is a roof. A roof? It seems like a roof. Oh, so that's not a color. What do you call that for the corner of the building, Daddy? It's for the terrace. Alright. Oh, I like it. It's big. I thought it's only small, like Daddy said. So the box, he said, this is only, Mommy. It's small. But look at that. Are you wait? Daddy will help you to make the slide. Wow. I like it. Look at that. What do you call that, chimney? What do you call that, Daddy? Fireplace. Look, there is a fireplace. There. It's cool. I am satisfied, Daddy. Worth it. For 800 pesos. Yeah, it is. Nice. Yeah, it is. That is a slide, Daddy. Maybe that is a base for your slide.
Ah, so things like this on this slide.
Yeah, nice, beautiful. May I see the slide? Oh yeah.
Up and down. Hey, hey, yeah.
May I see? Up and down, up and down. May I see? How about the umbrella? I think it's not supposed to be there. Can you fix the umbrella also, Daddy?
Let's find where to put the umbrella.
I did a deep step.
Oh, let's go to go.
I have young arms now. I have young arms.
I have a long arm. Okay. How about that? Even that. Yeah. It is for the slide. A roof for the slide. Yeah. Oh yeah, Daddy.
Oh, yeah.
There is a base for the umbrella.
Yeah, you're good.
Yeah.
You're good. Yeah.
Outside. It should be outside.
Umbrella is for outside. Here.
Yeah, when the day rains.